I'm gonna make a cucumber margarita. So obviously you need cucumber. I use the seedless kind. It's good to peel it beforehand, so it's easier to muddle. And
don't be so cheap with the cucumber.
we're gonna add a lot of cucumber. Yeah. And we're also adding some seeded and sliced jalapeño, just to give it a little kick. And then muddle that. You're making cucumber jalapeno juice. Now we're going to add, of course, you cannot have a margarita without tequila. So where do
So you want a silver one for this? Just nice.
Yeah, I like, because, you know,
clear,
if you use an añejo or something, or a reposado, it's going to be brown colored, and it doesn't look as nice.
Of course, and this is cucumber. You want it to be light and bright and fresh.
Exactly. So I'm adding, I don't know, about 2 ounces per drink. I'm not really sure how big this is, so...
Err on the side of caution. Meaning,
more
if it's
tequila.
a little more, it's okay.
And then I love this stuff. I use it all the time. It's called St-Germain.
Saint-Germain, yeah.
It is from France, and it is an elderflower liqueur. So it's a little sweet, very floral, but not too sweet.
It's very, a light sweetness level, like using light agave in a drink, right?
You could also use agave in this drink, but...
Well, most people use Cointreau or triple sec. They use orange mixed with the lime.
But this
I prefer this. This is so light and it's...
Yeah, I make a regular margarita with this too. It's great.
It's beautiful.
And it's good to have in your toolbox, because you're going to use it in so many different cocktails.
So many cocktails. It's just a faint, sweet flavor in the
background. Now we have some freshly squozed lime juice.
Squozed.
And that's it. You're going to shake it with ice and strain it.
You're going to put ice in the glasses, too.
Of course I am.
And, of course, you could add salt if you want. Rim it with salt.
Yeah.
Actually, at home, if you rim something with salt, you usually do, like, a pink salt or something pretty.
A pink salt's nice with, like, a grapefruit margarita.
Yep.
Which I would make for my friend Tommy, because he loves grapefruit.
Yep.
Now, I usually shake it. And
Ann Burrell loves grapefruit, too.
He does?
Yep.
Shake it, like, I don't know, until your hands start to get cold.
Shake it until your hands get cold.
Because, first of all, you want to chill the drink. You also want to...
That's a professional bar tip, right?
It is, actually. I didn't make that up. And you want to... ice is important to also dilute the drink slightly to kind of make the flavor stand out more. Otherwise, it's going to be too strong and... Anyway, this is going to be good.
Oh, you're barely going to make it. Oh, come on.
I got plenty.
Oh, there you go. Lovely.
Got to keep the chef happy.